EU electrician from cruise to Roro cargo ships, Italian flag, social security to Embark 1511. We have had many applications today. Thank you very much indeed, because there is a lot of cruise European seafarers that are worried about this social security on board the cruise ships, and they have these 3,300 euros wage net plus Italian social security. As you know, it is 2 years on board, 2 years unemployment, and 20 years you have a pension, have sanitary assistance, you have an accident, you are fully covered. Equality if you're a woman, electrician also, please apply. We know that cruise now they are paying around 2,500 US dollar electrician. If you are European and you want to get 3,200 euros net, no English required, just Italian. We will give you the manuals because, of course, as electrician you need to have experience on board. And then please, if you have like a big group of electricians, WhatsApp, Instagram and so on, like and subscribe, pass through all those social media groups, because this opportunity is a one in a lifetime. We need about 25, 60 approx, it's a 22 fleet Roro Italian flag, 37,000 tons, state of the art. These ships are maximum 10 years old, so it is a great opportunity for you as a professional electrician to be at the really high level of new developments, innovation of these technical issues, and of course the fleet will be renewed. Plus, we have another possibility of 55 RoPax ships, total 77 ships, and therefore it is plenty of space for you to promote within the company, have stability. It's really huge ships. All the ships are really with the Italian crew, and then so trading around Europe here, and with the social security. The more time you are with the company, then you will be employed directly by the company. Then after 2 years, you become continuous employee. So you can really find out about this social security and Italian labor conditions. There is 150 pages collective bargaining agreement, so you can really enjoy it in Italian. And also this for the junior officers also, then there is an endorsement that we're circulating in social media. So then if you are from the cruise and you are an electrician or any other European seafarer, apply, because here you have the social security, which on board the cruise ships they don't have any. So thank you very much indeed. Also, if you are an electrician from cargo, flag of convenience, fishing fleets and so on, with no social security, far away from home, smaller ships, no Wi-Fi, little cabins, and you want a really huge company to be able to promote and go up to this 25 years lifespan career that you are planning with the most modern Roro ships, and jump to the passenger ships, this is your place. Apply now, like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.